Checking or changing your air filter on a Kawasaki KRX 1000 is very simple. Take your seat, slide it all the way forward. The air box is located right behind this plastic panel. Move these pieces straight up. It will tilt backward slightly and then lift. That will expose the air box. To open the air box, all we're doing is pull these two pieces up, fold it backwards. You can lift it out. Now we can see on the inside we have a gasket that's around here. We're going to make sure that's clean. We're going to clean this up, but then we can access our filter. So when we pull this filter out, we want to be very careful. And then we can look at all the dust and dirt that's in it. If you're going to blow this out, make sure that you gently blow it out from the inside out, not the outside in. But generally we would just tap this to make sure that we get any sand out, make sure we don't have any holes or anything in this air filter. If you're going to clean this box out, take a rag and stuff it down the intake tube. That will stop any dust and dirt and debris from getting in there. You can use a vacuum to clean this out. You can also take a little brake clean, spray it around, and wipe it out. In our case, this unit isn't real bad, so we're just going to take some glass cleaner, spray it around, and make sure we get that back mating connection to the air filter perfectly clean. We have a very, very light amount of grease around here. We can pull out our rag that is on the inside, make sure that it's all clean, line this guy back up, twist it in place. It's a pretty tight fit, which is what you'd like. Make sure everything is clean here and this gasket is in place. Drop this guy back over, make sure we're fitting good. Push those tabs back into place, make sure it is on properly. Drop our cover in. I find it best to push both tabs, turn them towards the outside. That's it. We removed our seat just to get a little bit better angle on the air box behind it. You do not have to, but if you wanted to, you could. This is very simple. Keep your air filter clean and enjoy your ride.